Well, hi, everybody. I'm Alice Carone. You know, today more than ever, we need protection. We need to protect all of our information that's on our laptops. We have malware, we have spyware, we have all these attacks that are happening all the time. And the laptop that I have right in front of me, right? In the past, you bought your antivirus protection, right? And for the lifetime of this laptop, it lasted you. But now, we're gonna solve the problem for the rest of your life. Because here's what we're gonna do. If we could keep this right here, guys, I would love to just have it right in here, because what you're looking at is one laptop, okay? Now, when this laptop goes kaput, then you're gonna replace it with this laptop, but the virus protection you had on here can now be transferred to here. When this goes kaput, then what's gonna happen is we're gonna take it from here, we're gonna put it on here. You can do that as long as you're alive. Okay, as long as you are alive, you can now have your antivirus, malware, spyware, all that protection, not just for one laptop, but for 2 laptops. Oh, I'm not done, for 3 laptops, protection for your lifetime, not just the protection of the devices. The protection actually can transfer and transfer and transfer. So 3 of your devices protected for the rest of your life. That is amazing, and that's what PCmatic is all about. But we're not even gonna stop there. What I have in my hand not only is gonna work on your antivirus, but on top of that, this also is going to help in terms of ad blockers, all those annoying little things that just, right? They drive you nuts because they follow you around. Yeah, ad blocker in this. And on top of all of that, we're also gonna tune up your PC. Help it run faster, help it run speedier. It will defragment it, it will clean the registry, it will do things that other products independently do that sell for almost as much as what you're getting here. So again, three of your PCmatic antivirus tune-up ad blocker for your lifetime. $89.95, free shipping and handling, 5 flex payments on it. It is 100% made in America. It is 100% USA-based support. And Joe Harrison, who has a degree in computer science, is joining us, because never before in the history of HSN have we ever been able to offer you a product that does not just all 3 of those, a 3-in-1, but does it not just for the lifetime of the laptop. For my lifetime, I can transfer it, keep transferring it to a different PC. It's incredible.
Up to 3 devices can be protected at a time. Yeah. So as your computers change, you're not having to make that investment. That investment stays with you. And we absolutely need to have some sort of protection, some sort of maintenance on our computer. It's the main reason why you get a brand new computer day 1, it is fast. But then day 60, all of a sudden something's starting to slow down. You're like, why is my computer acting up? Well, it's because you're downloading viruses, you're downloading Trojans, you're downloading malware, you're downloading all the stuff in the background that's slowing it down. So we have to have virus protection that gets rid of it. You also have pop-up ads that are disrupting the internet, so you have to have an anti-blocker for that. We're gonna get rid of those, and then we have to run maintenance on your computer. Just like you have maintenance for yourself and for your car, we need to have maintenance on this computer. So what does PCmatic do? It does it all. It does all 3 in 1. So you've got that first line of defense, which is going to get rid of the ransomware, those targeted ads. We're going to get rid of all those suspicious ads that are inviting viruses into your computer. And we're also going to speed up your system. Because here's what you would normally have to do. I've got a couple software titles right next to me. And normally, we go out and you buy a computer. And just like your car, just like you get insurance, or you'd get antivirus for it. And normally, you pay $40, $50 a year per device for your antivirus. Then at the end of that year, it says, hey, your year's up. Let's go ahead and renew it again. You're like, I don't want to do it, but you know you need to have it. And then you have ad blocker. We love this because it's going to get rid of all those annoying pop-up ads. That is also included. And then you buy PC maintenance. Have you ever heard of a registry cleaner? So many of us spend so much money on that. This is a registry cleaner for you too. But for the first time, all 3 of these are combined into this one USB stick. For the first time, we have them all installed on one simple program. And for the first time, it's not the lifetime of the device, it is a lifetime of you. So it truly stays with you. It's just like if you got a car and you paid one price and you never have to pay for an oil change again for the rest of your life. And as you change cars, doesn't matter, you're still getting free oil changes. Same thing with your PCmatic. You're buying it one time today, there's no annual fee, There's no extra hidden cost you have to do. You install this on your computer, and then when this computer goes bad, the next one, no problem, PCmatic will go with you. It protects for the lifetime of you, which is something we have never done before. And this is brand new. When we first were working on this about 6 months ago, they said, well, we might not get enough for today's special, but we don't want it to be an everyday occurrence because it's so special. So we took everything that PCmatic had to offer, we launched it today, and Alice, I don't have another airing scheduled for the rest of the year. I don't have another Today Special scheduled for the rest of the year. We're not sure when we're gonna get it back, but here it is today at the best offer we've ever had.
And we're just about to surpass 5,000 sold, guys. This is your chance. I know sometimes it can be a little hard to wrap your head around some things that are techie and how to protect and this and that. But what we're going to try and do is just make this really simple and really clear why this offer is unlike any other offer that we've ever brought you from anybody, not anybody else. Have we ever been able to say this is going to protect 3 devices at a time as long as you live, okay? That's what changes everything. 3 devices for as long as you live. Those devices can come and go and change, and it doesn't matter because you can have up to 3 devices protected as long as you live, which does mean that you don't have to ever buy, not ever write another check, not ever have your credit card dinged ever again for virus protection. This is all you need, and you are finished, you are done. It doesn't have to renew, none of it. You are one and done today. It is about $18 on your credit card to get it home. It is absolutely not just going to protect just your computer from the malware, the spyware, the viruses, all of that. But then it helps speed up the performance. And then on top of that, it blocks those ads that really just, you know, are just so annoying, aren't they? All of a sudden these things just start popping up all over the place. This does it all. Look at the features of this. And again, I know it's hard, sometimes hard to understand what makes this different. Everything about this makes it different. It removes the malware from your computer. It's real-time proactive protection. It is automated PC maintenance scheduler. Blocks ads, it blocks pop-ups. It removes that internet clutter. It takes it, it defragments it. I know, I don't know what that means either, but that's what I know it does, and I know you need to do it. It cleans the Windows registry to help it run faster, okay? But then on top of all of that, it's gonna do it ad infinitum, okay? Right. This is a dot, 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 which means this never runs out. If you have a computer, you can have it covered by this. Because again, it's not for the lifetime of 3 devices. It's for 3 devices will be covered for as long as you live. That's how good this is, because I don't have to spend one more penny for 3 devices to be covered until I'm, I don't even want to live to be 100, I don't think. But if I made it there, I'd still be covered.
Right, and you know, viruses...
And I still wouldn't have spent another penny.
You're exactly right. And viruses aren't going away. Like, viruses are going to be with us forever.
Bigger problem
and the software,
than ever.
Exactly right. And the software on here is so simple, easy to be able to use. You're probably thinking, oh, this sounds great. I've got these 3 programs built into one, but you've never seen something as easy as PCmatic. You go ahead and install this on one of your 3 computers, so you have up to 3 different devices. I've got it installed right now on the one right in front of me. And the great thing about having this is that I don't have to worry about it. It's going to automatically protect my computer. It's going to automatically scan for me. This is the dashboard that shows my 3 computers. So I have my desktop, I've got 2 laptops, whatever your combination is, but also notice it has the green shields. Green is that protection for you. So when you see your computer on here, you are solid, you are good to go. Now when you're ready to run your deep clean, you tap the scan button, and now it takes like a little report card of your computer. And this isn't just telling you the status of your antivirus, because that's just one of 3 titles. This is also checking the health of your hard drive, the health of your computer. How are those internet files that are bogging your system down? With that ad blocking software, we're gonna get rid of it. So all the green boxes are good. Then you see we have a couple of blue ones. Well, those are the ones that we need to address. So down there on the bottom it says, I've got 7 things we can fix right now to speed it up. So you hit the next button. Then all of a sudden it runs that scan. You see all those green check marks, and green is clean. That is when your computer is running at its peak performance when you run through the scan. This will take about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how big your hard drive is and how much it has to scan, but that is gonna save you a lifetime of frustration. And if you ever have any questions, up in the corner, there's a support button that's included. Yes, you get support on this. So not only is it a lifetime of use, you have a lifetime of support. And unfortunately, so many companies will get rid of the support after 30 days. Here, they build the support into the product. So anytime you have a question, you go back to the software title. There are tours that are on there. There are frequently asked questions. There are email options that you can talk to a technician. And it's so important to have this because unfortunately, like we talked about, viruses are a fact of life. What we know of, there are about 400 million known viruses that are out there in existence. If you're online even for 1 minute, you're opening your computer up to some of those 400 million computers. You have to have protection, and so many of us spend $40, $50 a year to do it. Now you no longer have to do that. And every single day, there are 390,000 new viruses that come out. I have some people that'll send me a message saying, well, antivirus is great, but my computer came with a free 30-day trial. So that's good. But no, there are new viruses that come out every single day. You need to stay current. And this is going to keep you current. Because there are viruses that are out there that are designed to steal your credit card, designed to steal your social security number. Would you like to have a virus just sitting there waiting and typing in your information and boom, they capture it? No, none of us would want that. That's why you need that antivirus protection. But the thing about PCmatic is it's automatic. It's always on your system. It's always protecting you. It always checks every website, every email, every photo, every document, everything that comes into your computer. You are now protected. And you're protected not just for the lifetime of you, or the lifetime of the device, but for the lifetime of you. So as you change that device, your antivirus is going to stay with you. And when you see our configuration right now, we've got 3 computers. I've got my HP sitting here. Alice has her Dell over there. We've got our all-in-one that's sitting in the background too. We've got 3 different computers that are all on here, and they're all made at a different time. This one was from 2015. My computer's from 2016. Alice's from last year. This works on any computer in the last 10 years. So if you have a slow computer or you want to have that protection for a lifetime, Alice, this is the best price, best opportunity we've ever offered.
Let's just put this in perspective, okay? We're talking about $30 each device, $30 for each license, and that license is going to protect 3 devices, okay, as long as you live. So as long as you live, you will have 3 devices that are protected from all of the viruses that are out there. That actually has like a registry cleaner that's gonna make it run faster, and it's gonna block those ads. It will do that for as many devices as you want, 3 at a time, but you can then transfer it. So it's, let's say, you know what, this has been just a great Dell, but now I want something different, something's been updated, I want a different color, whatever. Take it off of here, put it on the next one. That's what you're gonna be able to do. We've never given you security before. That was transferable. Now it's transferable. Now it goes from each device, you can have up to 3 devices protected at all times. You will never spend another dollar. If you only protect 3 devices for the rest of your life, you will never spend another dime on virus protection, on registry cleaners, on ad blockers, none of it, because it's all right here. And PCmatic, I don't know if you have turned on your TV lately, but every chance you've seen the infomercials that they've been running. They're all over the place. They are a very big company. They're a very reputable company. This is a product that works. I would love for you to read the reviews on them. Google it, search it. It is all over the place, and it's made in America, based in America, support-based right here, which you gotta love that. So this is your time to do it. $30 a device for your lifetime. You never will have to buy any more virus protection. I mean, it's so mind-boggling. Right. I think a lot of us are just kind of going, seriously, how does that work? 3 devices can constantly come in and out, will be protected as long as you live. So let's say my daughter goes off and gets married, but I want to protect her computer just as, let's say, a nice little gift, you know, wedding gift.
Sure.
I can protect her computer as long as she lives because I have the little device right here, okay? As long as I put it in, it will update and protect her computer. Up to 3 computers. Doesn't matter who owns them. It doesn't have to be just yours. It can be whoever you want to share it with.
You're exactly right. You know, my kids have their own computer. My wife and I have our own computer. So we're set. We got 3 licenses. That's what we chose this. And this is exclusive configuration to HSN. But not only is it just the antivirus, because a lot of us, we go out and we buy the antivirus, and we are used to spending $40, $50 a year to get that antivirus protection. But we're also going to give you this ad blocker. Now, this is so important. This will cost you a lot of money every single year too. What ad blocking does is not only does it get rid of all those annoying pop-up ads that fill up our internet screen, that track where we go, that slows down our computer resources, but the hackers are getting tricky. They're making those ads look like official Windows and Microsoft warning boxes where it says, oh, you have to run this program right now. Click this button. And then when you click it, you just downloaded a virus. Now you just cause more harm to your computer. We're going to get rid of all those ad blockers too. And then the last thing, a ton of people buy this. PC maintenance in the form of disk defraggers, in the form of the registry cleaners. And a registry is so important to a computer. It literally tracks every single file you do. So every time you open up a program, every time that you go to a website, every time you check an email, every time you open a folder, that little registry, it leaves a little crumb on the registry. Eventually, that registry is filled up. Imagine your kitchen countertop. If every single time you did something, you put a dirty plate right there in the kitchen, you never cleaned it. It's not going to take very long until your entire kitchen is filled with dirty dishes. You need to clean that just like you have to clean your registry. Well, for a lot of us, we spend a lot of money on a registry cleaner. This has already had that registry cleaner built in. It's 3 programs built into one simple device. And not only is it a registry cleaner, Alice brought this up, something called a disk defragger. As you're adding and deleting files from your hard drive, it creates little empty pockets on that hard drive, and that causes the computer to slow down. It thinks there's something wrong with that hard drive. What the disk defragger does is condenses that empty space, frees it up so you can use it, and it speeds up that computer again. This is all part of the maintenance, and this is the best thing. It's all automatic. You don't have to know anything about computer engineering. That's what I went to school for. When I first used this, I was amazed how many things, how many tricks, how many tasks, how many jobs it did compared to what I would do on a normal basis. It does so much more. And I love the fact that the software makes it so easy. Because for a lot of us, you're thinking, I would love to have this protection. I would love to have this maintenance. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, here's the great thing. You go ahead and you put it on your computers. I've got it on 3 of them right here. I've got it on my family desktop. We have it on our 2 laptops. You see the green shield? So that's good. That means I'm protected. Now I run that scan. And keep in mind, this will function automatically. This is just in case you want to see exactly what's going on. So now it gives me that report card of my entire computer, not just the antivirus status. It checks on the internet status. It checks on the ads that are popping up to get rid of that. It even checks on the health of the computer to make sure that it's functioning at its peak performance. Then you click on the next button. And what it does is it fixes all those errors. You get all those green check marks, and green is good because now your computer is clean. It's fast, it's fresh, it's ready to go just like it was out of the box. And then there's a little life preserver up there. That's your support option. Help is built in for as long as you own this device. And this is extremely, extremely easy software. If you need help, there are tours on there. There are frequently asked questions. There are so many features that are on there to help you out. And Alice, most companies, they're gone after 90 days.
I'm sure.
As long as you have PCmatic, you have that support, that US-based support.
And you know what you spend just on a registry cleaner, I mean, just on the defragmenting and everything else, cleaning it out, what you spend just on that, go look online and see how much you spend. You can spend this amount doing one thing for a year, maybe even 2 years, you know, at the most. We're able to do everything that you need. These are the big 3. These are the 3 things that truly, if you're going to pick 3 things that you need to really do for your whatever device it might be to protect it, this is it. But you're able to do it now for your life, okay? Not for the lifetime, not for however long you have that laptop or that PC. It doesn't matter, that desktop. It's however long you live. So if you live another 20 years, you will never have to pay another cent to protect 3 devices, whether it's 2 devices for you and 1 for your sister, 2 devices for you, 1 for your husband. It doesn't matter how you split it up. 3 devices can be protected at the same time as long as you live. That's What's so mind-blowing, it's never been done. This is unavailable anywhere else. After today, it's not available here, okay? We have very limited opportunities in this because it took us a long time to negotiate this deal. This is a deal that you have to stop and think about it, you know, especially from the manufacturer's standpoint, right? They're gonna sell this and they're done. For as long as you live, you're not gonna buy any more virus protection, any more kind of registry cleaners, any more ad blockers. This is it. And you're basically paying for your lifetime of protection for 3 devices, $30 each, because up to 3 devices can stay protected. And then again, it is transferable. So when this laptop dies, goes out the door, I can take it off of here, put it on my next one. Put it on my next one, put it on my next one. If you had 30 more, you can put it on 30 more devices. And it's going to be so cost effective. But if the coverage weren't good, then it wouldn't matter. PC-matic. Really, truly, do your research. Go and Google it. I'm telling you, this is one of those really big companies that has developed such an incredible reputation. I'm pretty sure you've probably seen some of their infomercials because they're in heavy rotation. They are on all the time. They have a whole series of them. Google some of the commercials are funny.
There's a lot of great
They're very entertaining. But this is nowhere, not on their website, not anywhere.
No.
Does anyone have anything close to what we're giving you today? 5 flex payments, free shipping and handling. Just do it. You have 30 days to experience it. You're gonna download it one time and see all the things that were wrong with your computer.
Oh yeah, scary.
And then you're gonna be sold, and then you're gonna know, I can do this for the rest of my life.
Right, especially as a parent, my kids will just start clicking on everything, and I know they're downloading viruses, and this is what happens to our computer. You get that brand new computer, you love how fast it is, but unfortunately, you start downloading viruses and Trojans and malware and all this stuff in the background, and then you're not tuning up that computer. Have you ever run a registry cleaner? If you don't know what a registry is, then you probably have never run it before. And that's the thing, is that this is combining 3 different types of software that we all need. And traditionally, what we end up doing when you get a brand new computer is the first thing you do, you go and you buy your antivirus. And this is so common that we all expect I'm paying year after year of that antivirus program. That is already included. And this isn't some cheapened version. This is going to get rid of all those extensive viruses that block out the malware, the spyware, the ransomware, all that nasty stuff. It's going to be gone from your computer. The second thing we end up doing, we go out and we buy the ad blocker. We'll spend a ton of money on that because now we want to get rid of all those annoying pop-up ads that not only are cluttering up our screen, but they're also, it's a new avenue for a virus to sneak into your computer and cause some damage. And the third thing is, we're going to give you that PC maintenance. These are 3 separate titles. Traditionally, when you go to any website, when you go to any store, you have to buy 1, 2, 3 all together. But now we're combining them all into one. You're getting 3 of them, and that PC maintenance is so important because it's not like your virus. It's not like your pop-up blocker. This is going to check the integrity of your computer. It's going to speed up the boot up process because a lot of us don't even know when you start to turn on the computer, there's a certain amount of programs that boot up with your system. That's why it takes so long. It's going to clean that up to make those boot up times even shorter. It's going to make the internet faster for you too. It's going to make everything seem like it's a new computer. And this is good really for every computer in the last 10 years. If you have a Windows 10 computer, a Windows 8, a Windows 7, a Windows Vista, and it doesn't matter the brand. We have a Dell, we have an HP, we have a Lenovo on the set. It could be a Gateway, an Acer, and a ASUS. As long as it's a Windows-based computer, you've got that protection that comes with your system. And viruses, you absolutely need to have some sort of virus protection. And 2017 was a horrible year for consumers for viruses. Yahoo got hacked by a virus, and all 3 billion people in their user database, they got taken over. And then Equifax, all 143 million users had their information compromised. And even there's a really nasty virus called the WannaCry virus last year. It affected over 150 countries. And it's because of one virus snuck in there and started messing around with all these computers. And viruses aren't good. Viruses are designed to harm your system, to delete your photos. There's even something bad called the ransomware virus. What it does is it holds your computer ransom. It'll lock down that screen. In order to access it, you have to go out and wire somebody money and hope they open it up again. That is now going to be a thing of the past because when you install PC-matic, yes, it's so unique that this is a lifetime of you, but it's always protecting you. it is always updating you. Every single time that you turn on the computer, it's going to check for updates. It's going to check every email, every website, every document that comes into your system to make sure that your computer is secure, and it's a safe way to do it. It even checks every program before you even turn it on. Like sometimes a virus will attach to Microsoft Word. It checks Microsoft Word to make sure that's safe before it even uses it. So it goes beyond what we've traditionally had in the past, because Alice, viruses aren't going anywhere. You need to have that protection, and this is one of the best that we have ever offered.
I love the story behind why the gentleman created it. It was because he got hacked.
Yeah.
Right, and he said, not again.
Right, not again.
Right, not again. And that's what we're about here in America. You know, it's like, yeah, fool me once, don't fool me twice. And he created this amazing system that we are now giving you the best opportunity, the best value that has ever been done anytime, anywhere. You're looking at it right here. So what I have in my hand will protect 3 devices, but it's transferable. 3 devices at a time. But then if you update, you get a new laptop, take it off your old one, put it on your new one. That virus protection is going to work for up to 3 devices for the rest of your life. The ad blocker is going to work on any 3 devices for the rest of your life. That registry cleaner is going to work on up to 3 devices for the rest of your life, not the device's life, your own personal life. So this could last you 50 years, 60 years, no matter how long you live. You will not have to buy it again, and you do not have to pay any additional fees. It's one and done, less than $18. It is absolutely just a phenomenal buy today, and truly one of the best products out there when it comes to protection.
Yeah, and I'm so excited to be able to offer it. This is our launch. I don't have any more airings planned for the rest of the year. This is just a one-time thing that we're offering here at HSN.
Don't miss out on it. All right. Now, you're coming back with a tablet that you have not seen, and it's like a laptop and a tablet. It's
2-in-1.
2-in-1 that we have coming up, and it's got not just Windows in it. This has Office in it.
It does. Office Mobile.
Office Mobile is in here. $139.95 free shipping and 5 flex payments on that. So if you can, stick around, because we're going to present you with some other great electronics, like a way to make that speed of that internet go this way. And that's coming up in just a minute. But first, Monday Night Show is coming up because it's Monday.
Up the ante on Monday and watch the Monday Night Show.
Join Adam for a night full of exciting new items, just in time for the new year. And check out the latest innovation from this week's American Dreams entrepreneur. Tune in tonight at 7.
There's so many things to love about HSN, but one thing that makes shopping here fun is FlexPay. Get it home now without the stress of paying all at once. Why pay full purchase price today when you can pay over time? Buy what you want now, pay it off later with your credit or debit card. FlexPay. It's that easy. Exclusively at HSN.
We all have so many electronics in our home now. We have laptops, tablets, that great tablet that's coming up in just a minute. PCs, you name it. Even our phones, you know, it all works on that Wi-Fi, which of course is all about our internet. Well, if you don't have good internet speed, if you don't have good coverage from the internet, then it's going to be, you're going to have dead spots in your home, and you're going to have frustration, and you're just going to lose your mind watching that little wheel turn. We have the perfect way now for you to really maximize the speed of your internet, get better coverage, and make it so simple, because this is completely a touchscreen router that you see right in front of me. TP-Link is one of the leaders in the entire country, if not the world, when it comes to creating amazing routers. Routers really matter, okay? We have it today at the best price that we have ever done. When I say it's the best price ever, $119.95, it is the best price, even beats our today's special price by a long shot, okay? This is the day you get to update, upgrade, and you will love the ease with which you can set this up. And Justin Smith is joining me now to show us exactly how easy this is. And by the way, this comes with a 2-year warranty on top of being the best price. And not only that, 5 flex payments, less than $24 in free shipping to get this home. But let's talk about, first of all, why do I need a better router?
Well, you need a better router because so many of us, we tend to think that our internet's slow, that our devices are slow. But you know what? Your internet isn't slow. Your devices aren't slow. It is the device that brings the internet into your home that is slow. It is your router that's slow. And TP-Link, the AC1900, it's a beautiful mosaic design here with an intuitive touchscreen. It is the fastest and only touchscreen device router that we offer here at HSN. You're going to want to put it out on your counter. You're not going to want to shove it away like the old black box router collecting dust. And with this touchscreen right here, it is going to give you features and functions for you to control right at home here on the TP-Link AC1900. Now, if you come over to here to this old router right here, remember back in the day, you'd have to take your pin, you'd come around to the front, you'd press the button, the fast light would mean one thing, the slow light would mean another thing, and you'd have to get out your grid and figure out, well, you know, what does that mean? What do those lights mean? Well, guess what? Everything is clearly labeled right here on the touchscreen, utilizing the technology that we've all become familiar with right on our tablets, right on our phones. And with this touchscreen right here, that means that everything is housed locally. We don't have to have an extra PC. We don't have to download any expensive apps. We don't have to have any extra user accounts because everything is right here. And a good router is not just something that it's not a want anymore. It is a need. A good router is a need right now. Why is it a need? Because we're constantly upgrading our phones and our computers. But when was the last time you actually considered upgrading your router, the thing that is bringing the internet into your house? Well, maybe you thought, oh, I got fast internet from my cable company a couple years ago. But they probably, what they did was they did not upgrade your box. Our old router box is right there. Did you know the average technology in most common homes is over 5 years old for the routers?
Oh, I believe it.
Yeah.
Nobody has ever updated my router in my home from the cable company. Nobody ever calls you up and goes, hey, you know what? We're going to give you a better router so that high-speed internet that you're paying for to come into your home, because it can come in all day long. If your router doesn't take it and distribute it, then it doesn't matter because it's going nowhere fast.
That's right. You're not getting the speed that you're actually paying for with these old cable company routers, which, by the way, you're paying $10 a month for these things. With the TP-Link, you own it. It's like you've ordered the big Supreme pizza from the pizza store. It gets to your house, and there's only 2 slices in it because these routers are using refurbished technology. And when you try to hook in today's average of 14 devices into these old routers right here, it's slowing your internet to a crawl. With the TP-Link, it gives you access to that AC 1900 speed. It's giving you 1,900 megabits of speed versus that little sliver down there at the bottom that you're going to see here in just a second with the old routers. That is 54 megabytes of speed. That is 40 times faster than your traditional speeds on your traditional routers.
Okay, so wait, so the 54 megabytes down there, that's a traditional router that most of us have in our house, like that we're renting.
The most common.
That we're paying over and over. And the one that at the top, that's the TP-Link?
That is the TP-Link right here in front of us with the touchscreen display. That is 1,900 megabits.
I wonder how much of a difference it would make when you're trying to download a movie.
Well, I'll tell you, because most movies, if they take on average 4 minutes to download, get this, now they're going to take 1 minute. Get on Facebook, download music. It used to take 40 seconds. Now it's going to take 1 second immediately, and that's because of the motor in this thing. It is the 1 gigahertz dual core processor. Think of that. That's your motor. That's going to allow you to power through all of those functions on over 20 devices at one time. This used to hold 1. Now you can do over 20 devices, and it's going to give you that powerful speed, uninterrupted range. And these bands right here, they are dual bands in the antennas. That's going to give you superior range. If you've got an Arlo security system, each one of those cameras, they each take a Wi-Fi signal. So what's the point of having a security system if they're getting a weak signal and you're not even able to read them or see them?
Or if it's not, feeding live, or it's staggering and everything because it doesn't have what you need from your router. This is so important. It used to be, most of us, maybe we had a device, maybe we had 2 in the house. I mean, think about it now. Every time you walk in your house, your smartphone goes directly to Wi-Fi to save on your data, okay? So then you've got your laptop, got your desktop, you've got your smart TV that's running on it. If you try and download a movie on your smart TV and you don't have fast enough internet, round and round and round that circle of insanity will go, and where it ends is your madness, okay? That's why you need this. I had a friend of mine who, I talked her into the Amazon Fire Stick. I love that thing. So
Yeah.
I said, oh, let's get it. I'm coming up, I'll set it up for you, just plug it in, and round and round. I'm like, I don't know why it's doing this, I can't figure it out. And finally, I'm like, where's your router? And she said, well, it's just a condo, it's not even big, right? Across the room, and she was not getting enough of a signal from her router to be able to power her smart TV. So we had to upgrade that, and once we did, man, it just snaps. I mean, instant gratification is too slow for most of us nowadays. We want it yesterday. This is how you're gonna get the speed.
That's right, and let me tell you how easy this TP-Link router is to set up. It is so easy to set up. There is something right here on the touch screen. It is called our quick setup button. Now the quick setup button, you'll see right there, it's a little green button right there. We're going to it. Yeah, right there. That's your quick setup button. It literally takes 1 minute, and it is going to walk you through step by step a couple easy to follow simple instructions, and you are ready to cruise the fastest internet within literally 1 minute. It doesn't take any time at all, and you are getting access to that top speed, that 1,900 megabytes of speed, some of the most powerful in-home technology with today's most advanced routers. And all you have to do is you have to take this, you're gonna get this in your TP-Link box. This looks like an oversized phone cable. You wanna spin it around, and it's already pre-labeled, as you can see there. See, it says internet right there. You're gonna plug in your phone line, right like that, press power, and guess what? You've just become a cable router technician.
I love it.
101 right there, and you follow that quick setup, and you're ready to go to cruise the fastest internet.
Isn't that incredible? And you know what? Once you buy this, you're done. This isn't something you have to keep paying for. No. You're finished. You buy this at the best price, by far, that we have ever done. I'm talking about like a $60 savings off our best price, okay? So this is just, I have 642 of these left before these completely sell out. This is just that day that you're gonna stop the madness, okay? Because that's what slow internet is. It's all of those different devices that are trying to feed off of one old router that they put in when they brought your cable or whatever 5, 10, 15 years ago. And now it doesn't have the power to be able to handle it. This gives you the power. You buy this one time, what is it, $23.99 on your credit card. Just get it home, try it, see if it makes a difference. If it doesn't, send it back, for heaven's sakes. I'm telling you, there are a lot of things you're gonna spend money on. You will never, ever regret spending money on this because it will make everything work so much better.
That's right. We're all getting smart homes right now. So the one thing that you can use to give your home a smart home is a new router. I mean,
the Google Home, the Amazon Echo.
Everything is Wi-Fi.
It all has to come from the router. The internet through the router to the smart devices.
This sends out the radio waves. Those are known as Wi-Fi. That's what your device picks up. And if you don't have good, strong radio waves or Wi-Fi, your house is not a smart home, but it's a dumb home. And you know, I want to talk to you real quick about the beamforming technology. The beamforming technology that is intuitive in this right here. Now, the way traditional routers work is they send out a small signal of Wi-Fi. If you're in that zone, you get it. If you're not, you don't. No Wi-Fi. So with the TP-Link, it has beamforming technology, which it sends out an amplified, powerful beam of Wi-Fi to each device, and it lassos around that device so that you are in control of when you are on and when you are off the internet. You don't ever have to chase that signal. If you're sitting on the couch and you're watching a movie on your tablet, you get up and go to the couch or to the fridge for a sofa, and then it starts sputtering and spinning and then rebuffers. You got to go start over your movie again, and it's just a headache with the beamforming.
The rebuffer.
Oh, the rebuffer. We hate the rebuffer.
Yeah, I know. I mean, sometimes when you're trying to download music even, and it keeps stuttering, I guess is what you might call it. Just keeps staggering and stuttering along. It's because you're not getting the speed that you need to be able to download it quickly. This is the solution. This is the complete solution right here, just this router, because it has so much more power than what you are renting over and paying for over and over and over. That is ancient old technology. You do not have to live like that anymore. This is your solution. Once you buy it, you're done. You're finished completely. So once again, it is completely a touch router, easy to use. With people ordering it, guys, I have maybe about 400 of these remaining till complete sellout, okay? This is the best price we've ever done. And if you don't think this is cool technology or sexy technology, read the customer reviews on it, okay? Because then you're gonna come back and go, I wish I'd grabbed it, because this is gonna be gone before you know it. At this price, it is phenomenal. What a big difference. Now, why again do I need this?
It has 1 minute setup. It has given you access to 1,900 megabytes of speed, the fastest available out there. It's touchscreen. Everything is housed locally. You don't need an extra PC. You don't need to download any expensive apps, and you don't rent it. It's yours. You own it forever. It's right here.
It is right here. While supplies last. Because $119.95 is what is that? $60 off what we normally buy it for, what we normally offer it for. So don't miss out on this. I'm just telling you, there's lots of things you're going to spend money on. You will be so grateful. Oh, this makes everything better.
It's so easy and simple to use. You won't regret it.
So great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Thank you so much. All right, stay in the ordering process for this. And so, for example, if you buy an HP 17-inch Intel quad-core laptop, it's going to run even better with our today's special, of course, our PC-Matic and that great router we just offered you. And look at the price break we have on this, $549.95 free shipping, and we even have 6 flex payments on it as well. If you have the HSN card, though, you can actually, you can finance that. I think it's probably 9 months financing. You'll have to check. Okay, it is 9 months, and that is absolutely interest-free, which is what's so nice about it. So check it out, do a little bit of electronic shopping, but come on back, because Joe Harrison is coming back, and we have a combination of a tablet and a laptop, kind of like a lablet, coming up next.
Who knew a little piece of plastic could be so much fun? Now, when you apply for the HSN card, instantly get $10 off. It's all about you. Extra flex on the things you love. Now, when you use your HSN card, you get extra flex all day, every day on all jewelry, beauty, and fashion purchases. Plus, no interest VIP financing, VIP easy returns, exclusive offers, all with no annual fee. Apply now. Call 1-800-695-1418 or search HSN card at hsn.com.
You can call it a tab top. It's a combination truly of a tablet and a laptop, because this is from Smart Tab. And what this is a tablet. And I can show you that this is just, see, you just pick it up. It's actually magnetized. So you want it to be a tablet? It's a tablet. You want it to be more of a laptop style? It has a hard shell keyboard and case. So then it's kind of like a 10-inch laptop. So any way you want to slice and dice it, it's really like a 2-in-1. We have it today at a price that is not only on a price break of $139.95, I'm going to tell you why this is a great buy. This is a great buy because it has Windows 10 inside, which is a really big deal. A lot of people like Windows 10. You're familiar with it from your desktop, et cetera, et cetera. Windows 10 in here, but also it also has Office in it as well. The Office suite of products is also in here. And that's why Joe Harrison is bringing us this today. And already very, very popular, over 1,100 ordered in one presentation. We're also gonna give you some extra goodies like helping you with your taxes and some things like that. But first of all, you just need to understand why this is a different design than a lot of the other tablets versus laptops out here.
Well, because a lot of us, we're looking for both, and see how simple that is?
I know,
it's just those
so
magnets
simple,
that
right?
attach it and detach it, and it gives you so many different options. I have a 2-in-1. I spent a lot more than what you're spending today to get yours, and it truly changed the way I use my computer because it's easier to carry. I get a longer lasting battery life. It weighs just 2 pounds. Oops, sorry about that. And the screen is so dynamic and so crystal clear, but because it has that Intel quad-core processor on the inside, I've got multiple programs running at the same time, no hourglass, no hesitation. That's what you'd expect out of a computer that costs $500, $600, $700. That's normally what you get at those higher end prices. You get an Intel quad core that's built inside your brand new Smart Tab Windows 10.1 inch screen. And the thing is, you can see I'm running games on there. I've got photos. It's a touch screen. But the thing is, this is all such a big screen too. Most common tablet size in America is a 7-inch. This is a 10.1. It's literally like taking 3 7-inch screens and stacking them side by side to give you that bigger, better screen. But it also, because it has that computer functionality, gives you all those expansion slots. You have a camera that's on the front side. You have a camera that's on the back. You have multiple expansion slots over here. There's your full-size USB. You never see that on a tablet, but this can be your computer and has all that great functionality. Even down below, we give you expansion room in case you want to grow and add another 256 megabytes worth of memory. But as it sits, as you get it home, it is extremely powerful because I can handle the games, I can handle the photos. If you want to be able to use any of your traditional functions you would of Windows 10, you've got it right here. Because this has that full-blown version of Windows where it's got the start menu, where it has all your favorites on the right side, all your programs over here on the left side. Did you know that there are a lot of computers, you know, at the $300, $400, $500 range that have an abbreviated version of Windows, so you lose a lot of the functionality? This is that full version you're gonna get. Plus, Alice, I know you're gonna love this. These 3 little boxes right there, that's Microsoft Office Mobile. That's the Word Mobile, that's PowerPoint, that's Excel. That's already preloaded on your system. So you don't have to go out and buy Microsoft Office. You're already getting that mobile version right here. So you can edit, create, and share existing Word docs and PowerPoint presentations and spreadsheets. It's incredible to be able to get that. But now, all you do is you pull it across, and there are those powerful magnets that turn it into a tablet, and now you have so many other options you can use it. If you want to turn it sideways, it'll automatically rotate the screen for you too. If you want to put it back on here, you can actually turn it around and go backwards. My kids love this way because now it's like movie mode. We have it laying down flat and you can see the content going that way. Or you can flip it over and you can put it into tent mode. So if you're running out of room, the space, you can have it perfectly positioned right there. And then you can easily flip it back around. No buttons, no syncing, no Bluetooth, no cables. You put it back together and now you're using it again as a full functioning computer. And whether you've got it as a computer, whether you have it as a tablet, the battery life on here is incredible because this is Intel's Atom processor, their mobile processor that's designed to be more powerful but also be more battery efficient. You're going to get up to a 5-hour battery life on here. When do you ever hear that in a computer? You never do. Most computers have 2 hours of battery life. This has 5. So now not only do you have the power, Alice, you've got that all-day battery life to last you the entire day.
You know, I don't know why you would just buy a tablet when at this point, this price point, $139.95. You can buy something that is a tablet and it's a laptop, right? Basically, because it is. It's like a 10-inch laptop. Has the hard keys. A lot of people, if you've ever seen some of the cases that come with the keys, they just don't ever work quite the same as why people love laptops. It's because of the keyboard system to it and the fact that they have hard shell keys and it works better with nails, just with fingers. It just works better. So you're gonna get the ability to use it as a laptop. You get the ability to use it as a tablet. So why not get the best of not only both worlds, but all 3 worlds? Because then there's another hybrid that is out there that does the tent mode and this and that. How much? I know you.
Oh, yeah, it's a lot. It's over $500.
Yeah, yes, it is. It's over $500. So you're going to get all of that. And then on top of that, to ice the cake, and I mean put the cherry on top or whatever, the roses on the cake, whatever you want to say, to get the Office suite. To get Word, it's not, well, this is something that acts like Word. This is Word, okay? This is the mobile version of Word. To get the ability to do your PowerPoints. I mean, that's a really big, not just a business tool, this is great for students. Students, I don't know how many PowerPoints my daughter has done in her short little life at school, but so many PowerPoints. You're going to be able to do it. You're going to be able to do it the Windows way. So many tablets are not Windows 10 based, okay? That's why people buy laptops, because they like that Windows operating system. They know it. Now you're going to have it in your tablet, okay, that also functions like a 10-inch laptop, because when you close it, everything about this is a hard shell case. Now I don't have to go out and buy another case to put it in. I don't have to go out and buy another keyboard to put in it. I don't have to go out and even buy a screen protector, right? Because every time you close it,
Protects it.
That's as protected as the screen is going to be.
You're right.
And it's at $139.95, lowest price with Windows inside on a 10-inch tablet. And listen to the sound.
The sound's incredible. It's on here too. And everything's touchscreen, so I can address the sound. I can touch it. I can lower and go higher. But notice that most tablets only have 2 touch points. Now, why is that bad? The lower the number of touch points, the slower the response is. It takes too long to pick up the movement of your finger. Well, this doesn't have 2, not 3, but actually a 5-point touchscreen that's on here. And it's got that sound where it can handle, it can handle the deep, low sounds, the mid-range, and even all the way up to those high tinty sounds. So when you're watching your movies, it really becomes quite incredible sound. Now, not only am I doing this, I still have everything else that's running in the background. That just goes to show you that power that you're getting here. But for me, I'm a car line dad, and if you've ever been in a car line, oh my gosh, it takes forever to be able to be in car line and watch your and just wait for the kids. Here, what I can do is with Netflix, they have a special offer with Microsoft where you can download the movies to go. So now you can download them to that big hard drive that you have. So what I do is I'll download a couple movies and watch them throughout the week, and because I have such a big hard drive space. And with a 5-hour battery life, I don't have to worry about running out of battery life anytime soon. But we're giving you 32 gigabytes worth of memory. So whether you're downloading movies, whether you're taking photos with the 2 cameras that are included, whether you're downloading apps, 32 gigs is a tremendous amount of space. Most tablets, as you see sitting right here, they only have 8 gigabytes worth of memory. We have 4 times that amount. That's going to be able to store roughly 10,000 of your favorite photos, up to 4 hours of high definition video. And now we're talking about almost 8,000 of your favorite songs. And when you're looking at your photos, when you're looking at your email, when you're accessing all your content, it is so much easier to navigate. We love having those touch screens because we do that with our cell phones. It makes it so easy to be able to take your device and take your programs and move them around and make them convenient for you. And it's whether you're doing that, maybe you're playing a game, or how about reading a book? My wife has an e-reader that costs $250, and that's all it does is she can read books. Here, you can download the Kindle app, you can download the Nook app, you can change the colors if you want to.
And you know, I can't figure out the difference between that $200 e-reader and what you're getting
how
here.
Vibrant. Look how crystal clear.
You can highlight it, backlight it, any way you want to do it. Make the font bigger. I mean, why in the world, right?
You're exactly right, and you can change the different colors.
Talk to your wife.
And it's instant. I know, I keep saying, why do you buy that? And the thing is, she doesn't use it anymore. Now it sits, it collects dust. But look how sharp that screen is. And the reason why it's possible, this is an IPS screen, which means that you can look from multiple angles, and it's as beautiful as if you're sitting right there in front of it.
Yeah.
You don't lose any quality whatsoever. So not only is it the best price we've ever had on a 2-in-1, this is also the best screen that we've ever had too. Now you might be saying, okay, where'd you get some of those apps? Well, not only are we gonna give you a year's access to Polaroid University. This is fantastic. I took the classes. It teaches you how to become a better photographer. Whether you're taking pictures with your cell phone, whether you're taking pictures with the 2 cameras, you have a year to take as many classes as you want. You're really going to get quite a bit of education out of that. But down the bottom, there's a little picture of a shopping bag. That's access to the Windows Store. Just like every other tablet, just like every other cell phone, Microsoft has a store, and this gives you access to over 700,000 apps and games and books and movies right here at your fingertips. Are you playing Candy Crush on your tiny little phone? Are you playing on listening to your Pandora on your 7-inch screen? This is literally 3 times the size, but now with 700,000 apps that are available, I can truly customize this experience and make it just for me. And you saw that when I opened up the program, started the show, I had like 4 or 5 programs up and running. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's no delay. There's no hourglass. It's quick. It's fast. Even the internet is even faster for you too. This is when normally a computer will slow down, is when you buffer. Do you ever try watching something? You'll get through a couple minutes, or maybe you resize it, and then all of a sudden it pauses, you get a little spinny wheel, and it's frozen, and then it starts playing again. The buffering isn't that good. Notice that even though I'm resizing it, there's no delay to it. It's quick, it's fast, it's responsive, it automatically is ready to go. That's the type of response you'd expect at a $500 or $600 computer, but this is the type of performance you're gonna get at this amazing computer with a quad-core processor from Intel, with 32 gigabytes worth of memory, with that upgraded video card too, and the upgraded screen. It's amazing the technology you're gonna get. Because I first bought my 2-in-1, it was $1,000, and it is well worth it. Once you get into this 2-in-1 category, because right now I'm using it as a tablet, Well, there's no learning curve. There's no tricks. They're just magnets that are on the bottom. And all I do is I line them up, put it back into its place. No wrong way you can do it. Hit the start button, and now I can use it as a full functioning computer. Makes it so easy when you have that powerful processor and this easy technology.
And we make it so easy to afford this. I mean, you know, seriously, on 5 flex payments. And if you're new shopping with us, then that means you can split it up on your credit card. So today on your credit card, it's $27.99. We're gonna do free shipping and handling. And then next month, you'll get charged $27.99 plus tax and so on, 5 months, okay? You get this in 7 to 10 days, but you're getting something that truly is such a problem solver. A lot of times we'll go out there, yeah, you could not pry my tablet out of my hands. I keep it with me constantly. But when I can have a tablet that is that full size 10-inch tablet, basically as big as they make it, with the exception of one that is extremely expensive and certainly not, you know, I mean, it's not affordable for me and my lifestyle anyway. And I don't even need it. You know, when I have a 10-inch tablet like this, and then I can take it and just, look, just pop it right back on here because it's magnetized. I don't even have to try and line it up. It kind of just docks itself almost. And then I have, look at that keyboard. Look at the size of the keyboard. The keyboard is the size of the entire tablet right here. And that's what's so great about it, is now you're able to automatically, I don't have to push something to now start using the little keys and everything. It's just automatic. It goes from a laptop to a tablet, laptop, tablet. And then it's got a hard shell case on it, all right? So now you just take it anywhere. I don't have to buy a case, don't have to buy a screen protector. And you know what else I don't have to buy? I don't have to buy Office. I don't have to buy Office, the real deal, Word, all of that. I don't have to buy the PowerPoint thing from Office Suite. It's all in here, and it's a Windows operating system, and that truly, Joe, to me is what sets this apart. So many tablets, and I want to say, I could be completely wrong. I'm going to say, like, don't you think like 80% of all tablets are based on a different operating system?
Oh, you're exactly right. The most popular one is not a Windows operating system, but as far as, you know, easy to use, to me, it's got to be the Windows, because if you've ever used a computer, you can use this tablet. It's set up exactly like your traditional tablet, or just like your computer would be. Over on the right side, I've got all my favorites. There's my email, there's the internet, there are my Office programs that are already pre-installed, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. My daughter, by the way, is even using PowerPoint in elementary school. It's incredible. The kids need
crazy.
They've got it. And over here,
they have to have it. It's not even needed. They have to have it nowadays.
Over on the left side, these are all the programs. And with that massive 32 gigs worth of space, I can store literally hundreds and thousands of programs on the device. But because this is the full version, not the abbreviated version of Windows, I even have Cortana on the bottom. So if you have a question, you hit this button. What's the weather today? So she knows exactly where I'm located. She can tell me what the weather's going to be. Even gives me a little slide rule so I can see what's going to happen for the rest of the day. You can go ahead and ask her to set a reservation, ask her to set reminders, so many great things. But she can also do something that's unique. She can actually search the hard drive. Watch this. Find my cruise pictures. How many times do you upload photos and you completely forget where you put all your photos? Here, I just said, find my cruise pictures. She found all the pictures I have associated with going on a cruise. There's the cruise ship. There are my kids on the cruise ship slide. There's all that fun. That makes your life so much easier. That's built in there. And what you don't get is you normally don't get this version of Windows on most other Windows tablets, but it's included today, even though it is the best price. And if you're also seeing me flip this thing from side to side and you're wondering, how is he doing that? Well, we also have this thing on the back side. It's G-Hold. It's the tablet holder. It's back in stock. It makes it easy to hold your fingers. We have 7 colors available, including that rose gold that we have. You can also fold it down completely flat, and it keeps it nice and thin. Then you pop your fingers in, and it makes it easy to hold it in one hand. So now, whether I'm looking at photos, whether I'm surfing online, now I've got my tablet right there in my hand.
Absolutely. Or you have your laptop in your hand, whatever you want it to be. Because Windows 10 was really designed to be used as a touchscreen.
You're exactly right.
However, when you use the Office suite of products, which you're getting in here, and I'm talking about the real deal. This isn't close, isn't quite. It's the real deal. It's Word, okay? It's Excel. It is all in here, along with your PowerPoint presentations that you can even do. When you get that, you're gonna want, for example, when you're doing a Word document, you want it to be like a laptop. Now you get it all and it's in the palm of your hand in the biggest screen size, basically, that we sell, the 10-inch size. It is that perfect size, the perfect weight. The battery on this is amazing. Get it home, play with it, try it. You have 30 days to experience it. We're going to give you some other, like you said, some really nice goodies as well.
You're going to love the Polaroid universe. It's a university. It's a year of training to teach you how to become a better photographer. Whether you're using your cell phone, whether you're using the 2 cameras that are included today, or even a high-end digital SLR, they'll teach you about different filters and all these different things. It's amazing classes that you have for a lifetime, because this is an amazing tablet. Even notice, because this is Intel on the inside, that Intel processor, there's also an Intel high-definition video card. So I can play those more extreme games too, Alice, with no delay. That's the performance you'd expect out of a $1,000 computer, and that's the performance you're getting out of the lowest price 2-in-1 that we've ever offered.
Absolutely, and first time that we have ever been able to give you this kind of price on it. So get it home and try it. I think you're gonna love the versatility of it, and shop around, you know, see what just a 10-inch tablet goes for, okay? Just check it out. I think you're gonna find that this is your answer. Now, you're gonna be back in just a few minutes.
Yes, 7 o'clock.
It's Monday night, Monday Night Show coming up, but we have an entire hour to help you get organized, and origami is coming up in just a minute.
Say hello to something new. New is smart. New is gorgeous. New is delicious. New is so you. Shop now and discover the perfect new for you.